Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that every angler should have in their tackle box, Lucas Fishing Reel Oil 10690. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what Lucas Fishing Reel Oil 10690 is all about. This premium lubricant comes in a convenient 2-pack of 1-ounce needle oiler bottles, specifically designed to keep your fishing reels in top condition. If you're serious about your fishing gear, you know that proper maintenance is crucial to ensure smooth operation and longevity. This oil helps reduce friction and wear on all types of fishing reels, whether they're freshwater or saltwater models. One of the standout features of Lucas Fishing Reel Oil is its specially formulated blend. It provides a long-lasting protective film that not only lubricates but also prevents rust and corrosion. This is particularly important for those who fish in saltwater environments where exposure to moisture can lead to significant wear and tear. The needle oiler design allows for precise application, ensuring that you can target specific areas without oversaturating your reels. Who is this product suitable for? Well, whether you're a seasoned angler or a weekend fisherman, Lucas Fishing Reel Oil is perfect for anyone looking to enhance the performance and lifespan of their fishing gear. If you have multiple reels or frequently fish in challenging conditions, having a reliable lubricant on hand can make a world of difference. Now, let's delve into some practical use cases. Imagine you've just returned from a long day on the water, and your reel is feeling a bit sluggish. A few drops of Lucas Fishing Reel Oil in the right spots can help restore that smooth operation you rely on. It's also a great idea to apply this oil before you head out for a fishing trip, especially if you're using your reels after a long off-season. A little preventative maintenance can help you avoid issues when you're out there trying to reel in the big one. Another scenario could be if you notice that your reel is making unusual noises during retrieval or casting. This could be a sign that the internal components need lubrication. By using the needle oiler, you can easily apply the oil to the gears and bearings, which can help eliminate those annoying sounds and improve the overall performance of your reel. The compact size of the bottles makes them easy to store in your tackle box or fishing backpack. This means you can have your maintenance supplies handy for quick touch-ups whenever you need them. Plus, the clear labeling and design of the bottle make it easy to identify, even in a crowded tackle box. In conclusion, Lucas Fishing Reel Oil 10690 is an essential product for anyone serious about maintaining their fishing gear. With its effective lubrication, rust prevention, and ease of application, this oil helps keep your reels in optimal condition, ensuring that you can focus on what really matters, catching fish. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.